Hi folks, in this short video I will show you how you can create a scatter plot. Remember, you can only create a scatter plot if you have two quantitative variables. The dataset I'm using includes data on life expectancy and the percentage of the population that owns a cell phone. The scatter plot allows us to see if the two variables are related. First, we are going to open up the relevant dataset, and this is the first one listed here on the course website. So I'm gonna double click on the dataset called cell phones and life expectancy. And we are gonna click on open, and Minitab is going to be open now. And we are going to select the option graphs. The first one here is the scatter plot. That's what we are looking for. We are going to choose a simple scatter plot. We are going to click on OK. And you see that on the left hand side of the window, we have the two variables listed, life expectancy and the percentage of the population with cell phones. We have to decide which variable we are going to put on the x versus the y-axis. Life expectancy is the one that we are predicting, so that's going to come on the y variable. And the percentage of the population with cell phones will be the one that we use as a predictor variable. So we are going to put it on the x-axis. And now all we have to do is click on the OK button. And here we have our scatter plot. Thank you.